guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm gonna talk really fast because I haven't got much time, but I'm getting ready for my birthday, so I'm probably gonna speed everything up because I haven't got time to talk either. Anyway, okay, so just before we get started, I just want to explain that I was in a very like big rush getting ready, so that's why there's like a really rushed intro, and I only had like 26 minutes of footage left on my SD card, so I literally had to get ready really fast. But basically I'm just gonna be speeding up this whole thing and talking through it like on voiceover, because otherwise it's a bit of a mess. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, please like and subscribe, all of that stuff. Thanks. Another thing I forgot to mention was, obviously my birthday was about 3 weeks ago, and it's just going up now, and that's basically because my sister decided to put the SD card inside my CD port, and I haven't been able to get it out until now. And by me, I mean my mum got it out, because obviously without her I can't do anything. So yeah, sorry about the delayed video, and I'm sorry you guys had to wait so long to see this. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm just starting by priming my face. I'm using the Obsessions baking primer, I'm pretty sure it's what it's called. And then I'm literally just priming my eyelids with a concealer. I'm pretty sure I used the Urban Decay All Nighter concealer. And then I'm just setting that with one of the eyeshadows from the Cardi Bible BH Cosmetics palette. Oh, by the way, I got like a new eyeshadow palette for my birthday. It's the Naked Cherry palette, so that's literally what I'm using all over my eyes. Like, that's the only palette I'm using. And I'm taking these two colours, I don't know what they're called, let me check. Okay, I'm just taking Feels and Juicy from the Naked Cherry palette, and I'm using them as a transition shade. I'm just mixing the two together to get like the shade I want. And I'm using like a fluffy, like a big fluffy blending brush to do this, just so I can spread it all over my crease. I'm just going in and layering this up as well a little bit more, and then doing the same on the other eye. Okay, I'm then taking the shade Bing from the Cherry palette, and I'm just gonna concentrate that more in my crease just to deepen things up a bit. I'm then taking Devilish on a smaller blending brush and concentrating this even closer into my crease to deepen things up even further. And then I'm just going back in with that fluffy brush and those transition shades just to make sure everything's blended together properly. I'm then taking the shade Young Love, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I did start using a brush, and I wet the brush as well, but I'm going to later go and you're going to see I'm going to use my finger, because I feel like that's what gave the best payoff with this colour. It's a pigmented colour, just wasn't really working with the brush, but with the fingers it came out beautiful. And then obviously I'm going in and just blending the edges. I just keep going in and blending just to make sure everything's blended properly. And as you can see, I'm using my finger to intensify the shade a bit more. And then going in with a makeup wipe just to get rid of any fallout on my face. Moving on to the face. I'm then using the NARS. I'm pretty sure it's like a Radiant Creamy, I don't know what it's called. It's a foundation, and I'm popping this all over my face and blending it with a beauty blender. Ace Family Labour video. Electric. Huh? Ace Family Labour video. I knew it. Play. Oh, guys, let me know in the comments if you watched the Ace Family Labour video, because I'm about to watch it now. Let me just get ready, guys. Oh, and I'm just blending it down my neck as well, because it wasn't quite matching me anymore. And then I'm taking the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm going to pop this under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, just the usual places. And then I'm obviously going to go in and blend it with a beauty blender as well. I'm then just setting this in place with some Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just putting that on with that same beauty blender just to press it into my skin a bit better. I'm going in with that same Laura Mercier powder and setting the rest of my face. I'm also going to do my eyebrows off camera. I'm just using this Archery eyebrow thing. I also used some Hoola bronzer in my cheeks, but I forgot to film that part. And now I'm taking a Essence blush and I'm popping this on my cheeks, and then I'm taking the Colourpop highlighter in the shade Flexitarian as always, and I'm popping this on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and I think in my inner corners as well, and also my brow bone. You know, you just want that glowy look. That's what I was going for. What's it? I'm taking the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick. It's actually a velvet lipstick in the shade Boy Bite. It's like from her holiday collection, and I'm just popping this on my lips to finish off the look. Okay guys, she's joined me for my outro, but that's me getting ready. It was like literally a bit hectic because I literally only had 26 minutes of footage and I managed to do it. But this is my final makeup look. Let me just get a close up. It's gonna focus on you. Yeah. I had fun using the Naked, what's it called, Cherry palette, but I'll do like a full-on video on it. And I'm also going to film a what I got for my birthday. She got me the cutest gift, so you're going to see that. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.